Every once in a while I'll see a product for a guitar that I have to buy, and these icon plates are definitely it. I talked to Ed Wednesday of last week, chatting through how we came up with the idea for the custom plates. He's got like an Anarchy, Pentagram, USA, Cross and Skull Bones. A lot of cool designs, and I've even seen him do custom designs. These are some American flag neck plates. They fit standard neck plates. They are definitely cooler than the standard Fender neck plate. You can customize these a little bit. For the Jack Daniels guitars, I'm going to age the plate in the muriatic acid and then put these on the back. I thought that's a really cool vintage vibe. It's all American hardwoods and American Tennessee whiskey, so that is pretty cool for me. In talking with Ed, we said let's do a giveaway. I'm actually gonna give away 2 plates for you guys. One from Ed, one from myself. All you gotta do is hit subscribe and write a comment. I'm also now on Instagram, so if you guys are looking for me and all my up and coming projects, I'm posting them there as well. So 2 plates for a giveaway. I can give you one of the aged ones if you want, or I can give you fresh, untouched, unacid aged. But these icon plates, you can check him out on the website link in the description, and I'm going to put a screen capture of that here. These are really awesome, very unique. I have not seen custom plates like this, so you get what you pay for. These are really nice quality, American made. So go over to his website, check him out, and like I said, to get a free one of these in the giveaway, put a comment and hit subscribe, and we'll get these out hopefully by end of the week, something along those lines. So just a quick video on a cool supplier that I found, thought would be something that you guys would really be interested in. So icon plates, custom bolt-on plates for your guitar or your bass. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.